x root of 1 plus 2x square. So therefore, once again, the value which is inside the square root, this value has to be taken as t. So put the value of 1 plus 2x square to be equals to t. Let us try to differentiate this one. Derivative of 1, the constant will be 0, plus 2, the constant as it is. X square differentiation will give you 2x into dx. So derivative of x square will be 2x into dx, and derivative of t will be dt. Or if we try to ignore this 0, it's 2 times of 2 will be 4. 4x into dx will be equals to dt. But if you try to observe over here, you don't have 4. You just have x into dx. So it is better you try to remove that 4. So send that 4 on the other side. If you cross multiply, you'll be getting 1 by 4 into dt. Now plug in this value back there in the given integral. You will be having I is equals to, it is integral of x dx under root. First I'll write under root. 1 plus 2x square will be t. The remaining value that is left out is x into dx. And this x into dx can be replaced as what? 1 by 4 into dt. 1 by 4 into dt. But however, 1 by 4 is a constant. I'll remove outside. You're getting integral of root t into dt. Now the question is, again, it is similar to the previous problem. So I need to write down this as t power of half into dt and use the same formula what I have shown you. Integral of x power of n into dx will be nothing but x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the constant. If you use that one, it becomes t power of half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. But half plus 1 value, you know, half plus 1 value will be 3 by 2 plus the constant c, or 1 by 4 into 3 by 2. If I take in the numerator, becomes reciprocal. And what is the value of t I have taken there? The value of t that I have taken in this case is 1 plus 2x square. 1 plus 2x square. 1 plus 2x square to the power of 3 by 2 plus the constant c. You can cancel out over here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Or if you try to simplify, it is 1 by 3 times of 2 will become 6 into 1 plus 2 x square to the power of what? 3 by 2 plus the constant c. So that will be the required solution.